Guys, hello and welcome. This is my short introductory video to my application. I will explain basic features and what it can do and what is it. So if you go like to this login screen, you will see this small button, test user. If you click it, you can log in for test application, for test company. So you will see like all the basic features and you can play by your own to explore. So you land on this inbox screen. You will see some information. So this is basically the task for each and every team member will receive a task that is related to him. So it's his own inbox. Also, he can check his functions. So where he member or he's a head of the function. So you divide your company into specific functions. If you go to map, you will see this functional map. This can be sales, marketing, logistics, customer service. For each function, you add members of your team who belong to this function. Each function can have its own communications, knowledge base, participants. You can understand it as specific direction of the company. So if you click, for example, administrations, you will see the head of this function of objective key result is what's the goal of the function. Members, you can also create communication from this function, and you can go to the communication page to see only communication for this function. I will explain what is communication in a second. So we have different functions. You can add function, super easy. You just choose name, objective key result. What is the goal of this function? Yes, it's marketing, it's new customers, sales, it's money on the company bank accounts. You can also choose parent function. It can be like the first C or some like branched, You create some function, you lay down your map of your company, and then you go to task or communications. Communication is it's kind of like information exchange from one member to another. You will see your communication that is related to you. For example, someone created like new task for this function where you member, you will receive it here. Also, you will see all new tasks that is related to you here with its priority and its creator. For example, you can check, maybe it's like it's some John or someone, another guy. Here you see like statuses: incoming, received, in progress, and done. Here you can choose. Nothing changed because I created this for test purpose, but here if you click on control, you see what you created and its statuses. So for example, if you created something and no one taken this task, you will see this like it's blank, but it's someone is taken, it's received. Yes, it changed the status. You will see this doing by John. So John is currently doing this task. What's the difference between received in progress? Received is he will do it right now. In progress, he will do it in near future. So this means that he put it in progress and also created a reminder for this task. For example, if in 3 days he will receive a reminder to complete this task. This means that he's doing it right now. And done, it means that it's finished. It's all set. You also can see due date. You can here you can work with statuses. You can add, if you created this task, you can add some details here. You can see all this information. Also, you can create it like here. So you can choose person or function. Yes. So for example, I can choose some my team member. Here I can choose my branch of my map. Object key result. What is the goal of the task? Or goal of this communication, and choose priority for this. And maybe I can add a deadline if I need. So like here. My team members is team page where you can we want, with this application, we want to put your team first. Right now we have like a basic team functionality, but on the roadmap we have some really interesting stuff coming. I will like in a minute I will talk about this. So here you can you can check your team cards by clicking here. You can check name, the role, or admin or a regular. This means the role of the person. Admin can change, can invite, can change company settings, can delete functions, add new function, and another. Also, this is interesting. We added information about his personality status. So if you know that Myers-Briggs test, we will the interesting feature, we will add it in our app. So you will it will be possible to check this test in app without going to like another resources. Also emails, so you can check all the participants, all their personality tests and other stuff. And the last one is the knowledge base. We want to create a place where you will store all your information, and you will be able to onboard new members. So you just give them a possibility to go to this place and read it, and also test. Like after reading, they will need to complete a test, so like a A/B. Like 3-4 questions for each and every space to check their knowledge. So here you have different views. For example, you can look at as a cards, you can look at as a table, you can filter by clicking. You can go here to your knowledge base. You can create something. You can write. You can add pictures. You can something like this. You can delete. You can manage your space. When you creating your space, for example, let me show you. You can check what is the function is related to this. For example, you can create a space for, like, when you create a function, one space will create it with function, with the name of the function. For example, here, logistics, human resources, SMM, onboarding, but you can add additional for this function. For example, for sales, you can like managing of customers, working with like something customer related information and other. This is different view. Table and card is just a visual representation. Also, you can bookmark some spaces. Add a bookmark, so you will see it here. What I want to say, we work with the notification features, so you will receive notifications in app and also on email. Once, for example, someone created a communication for you, for your person or for your function, also you will have it in app. So now we have basic features laid down. We created basic functionalities. So invite features 100% done. You can collaborate with other members. You can add your team. You can add as many functions as you want. Work with tasks and other. On our roadmap is gaming functionality. It's in near future. We will add something interesting. By completing tasks, you will receive points, and by earning points, you will receive levels. So this level functionality will add some interest to working with tasks. Also, I will repeat myself. We will add possibility to complete personality test in app. This Myers-Briggs, to know better your team. So you will see who you're working with, what's their strong sides, what their weak sides, and something like this. I think it's really cool to have this in app without going to another resources. So gaming experience, a smart system of earning points. Also, we will add surveys. So now we have knowledge base, but you can check how your team know the information that is given in the space. By space, I mean the one group of information, we call it space in the field. So for example, we have space product design with function marketing. Yes, I can go like here and I just scroll like choose different posts about this. So we will add surveys. So for example, for product design, you come here, you read it, and also you can complete the survey. So you can check how the one member or another know this information. You can just create like 3-4 questions, so you will check that they actually read it and know it correctly. And we will add company feed, so it will be like a new feed with stuff related to your company. You will some announcements for your team, some maybe some celebrations, some different information related. So it will be like news feed related to your company. You will share something, some success, some fails, and we'll add some interest to this. So this is it. It's super easy, but the mechanic you need to get used to it, because I think working with this org chart and functions and creating task for functions, creating communication for functions, and it's something new to compare to creating like a task for one person, yes, or for another one. Here you work and you think in functions. So you think what's your company like branches and what the task for what branch you want to create. So if you have any questions, just please leave or a question in the bottom, or you can just email me, or you like can ask where you want. I will receive your question and answer as fast as I can. Thank you for watching, and I wish you all the best. Good luck.